The leaves are falling, skies are gray. Lily and Sam cook today. Grab your pan, your spoon, your bowl. Let's make soup, warm your soul. Peel the pumpkin, chop it small. Stir the soup, we do it all. Slice the apples, mix the dough. Bake the pie, it's starting to glow. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, stir, bake, and taste. Hooray! Learn the words while having fun. Cooking together, everyone. Pour the oil, whisk it right. Simmer the soup, warm and bright. Spread the jam on bread so sweet. Autumn flavors, what a treat. Grab a spoon, grab a fork. Stir and mix, don't stop, no work. Taste it once, taste it twice. Cooking in fall, so nice. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, stir, bake, and taste. Hooray! Pumpkin soup and apple pie. Learn English in the kitchen. Oh my! Wash the pan, clean the spoon. See you soon, another afternoon. In our autumn kitchen, hearts are warm. Cooking together, safe from storm. The leaves are falling, skies are gray. Lily and Sam cook today. Grab your pan, your spoon, your bowl. Let's make soup, warm your soul. Peel the pumpkin, chop it small. Stir the soup, we do it all. Slice the apples, mix the dough. Bake the pie, it's starting to glow. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, stir, bake, and taste. Hooray! Learn the words while having fun. Cooking together, everyone. Pour the oil, whisk it right. Simmer the soup, warm and bright. Spread the jam on bread so sweet. Autumn flavors, what a treat. Grab a spoon, grab a fork. Stir and mix, don't stop, no work. Taste it once, taste it twice. Cooking in fall, so nice. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, stir, bake, and taste. Hooray! Pumpkin soup and apple pie. Learn English in the kitchen. Oh my! Wash the pan, clean the spoon. See you soon, another afternoon. In our autumn kitchen, hearts are warm. Cooking together, safe from storm. Leaves are falling, skies are gray. Lily and Sam cook today. Grab your pan, your spoon, your bowl. Let's make soup, warm your soul. Peel the pumpkin, chop it small. Stir the soup, we do it all. Slice the apples, mix the dough. Bake the pie, it's starting to glow. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, stir, bake, and taste. Hooray! Learn the words while having fun. Cooking together, everyone. Pour the oil, whisk it right. Simmer the soup, warm and bright. Spread the jam on bread so sweet. Autumn flavors, what a treat. Grab a spoon, grab a fork. Stir and mix, don't stop, no work. Taste it once, taste it twice. Cooking in fall, so nice. Ooh. In our cozy fall kitchen, we cook and play. Mix, push in the kitchen.
Oh my!
Wash the pan, clean the spoon. See you soon. Another afternoon in our autumn kitchen. Hearts are warm, cooking together, safe from storm.